Guys, 今天 maybe 今天我们有比赛，篮球比赛。大篮球。
Wow.
After every basket, I was shouting, "Mao Zedong Jushi!" So funny, bro. She goes, "Mao Zedong Jushi!"
Shirt with what must be his initials on it, BMF? No, I'm sorry, RMF. No, I'm not sure.
Hello.
Hello, you all. Oh God, wait.
Hello. So we are in uni right now. We just finished attending our first class. And I'm doing a sleepover in JNU today. I've done it before, but this is the first time we are actually vlogging it. Because at that time I did not have my channel. But yeah, this is going to be fun. We'll show you around JNU again. We'll go to the places that we went last time, and it will be much more because we have our Kalol Fest going on, and Barry's, Ishel and her team have a basketball match.
LeBron who?
The court is going to be on fire because the Chinese center is going to be winning the match against the Korean center.
God, the next clip will be, so we lost.
No, but you will win because like we have talent, and they barely got like 7 members, so they definitely won't be winning.
Bro, this
They barely-
if they win, this is not coming out. This dialogue is not coming out if they win.
They barely have people. Their team is like well sorted out. They have like strong people on their team also. So they also like they might have people who want to play basketball. Ki, oh, I want to play, but then they don't have talent.
Anushka is very overconfident here, so let's see how the game goes. And
Yeah.
when will we see them again?
When we have lunch and when we have Reba, because Reba is skipping classes.
I won't have lunch. I'm fasting, so.
Yeah, Ramadan.
Ramadan Mubarak, you all.
Ramadan Mubarak.
Okay, so we'll see
Eid
you.
Mubarak.
Okay, guys. Bye. I don't know how to dance.
Hello.
ताजा हो
Basketball match got cancelled, but we have Reba.
गाइस बहुत मूड ख़राब है, बहुत माहौल ख़राब है. उसको देखो उधर बैठी, मतलब ही नहीं.
माहौल बहुत खराब है गाइस.
माहौल पूरा बेबी, हाय बेबी तू पावे काड़ा सूट, कदे कदे पावे नेवी तू रोजी आसमान दी. गाइस अब हम 10 बजे क्या करेंगे? प्रैक्टिस.
सबके साथ.
Yes, basketball. And I have to go to my KOU teacher. He's teaching us dance.
We have to go to Kaushal sir. Not me though, her.
I don't remember what he has taught, but it's like 1, 2, and then it's like 1, स्टाइल करके फिर पीछे जाके हुई.
Oh man, you're so good, Kaushal sir. Increase my CP, please. Isn't that sweet? I guess so.
पूरा एंथम है भाई, ये तो ईयर एंथम है, नॉट इवन समर एंथम. विंटर
Oh
इज
my God, we went for that winter shopping. Both of us were like, finger on me, everybody.
We went to Sarojini in April. Both of us. Thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so.
Bro, oh.
Tacha ho.
Hello, change of plans.
Change of plans.
We are going towards Reba practice with KK sir.
भाई बस
Kaushal sir, we love you.
अरे भाई कहीं देख ना ले व्लॉग.
No, but it's real though.
Yeah,
Are you faking it? Do you? Are you?
my favorite. He's my favorite.
Yeah, we do love you, sir.
Very cool, huh? He will come and teach. That's it. A few jokes here and there. Great. No personal life interference. What you do? What time you sleep? What time you wake up? What do you eat? No
That are only questions for the oral exam.
only see, first semester, every time, every session, he would used to ask, Nishi Hanshu Shamma? And I'm like, Oppo Si Hanshu. Samosa.
Then you accidentally say samosa. Only the OG vlog watchers know.
So now in 4th semester, now the question is, what kind of marriage you want to do? I'm like, please, sir.
What kind of
pussy
what kind of marriage do you think is best?
best? Do you want to get married? What kind of husband you want? Why was that in every question?
He never. We had like a job chapter also. He never asked what kind
Nah,
of
he
job
asked
we
me.
want.
He asked me what all documents you need if you were going to apply a job.
No, but he never asked what kind of job do you want.
He doesn't care.
He only cares for the gossip things.
Yeah,
Eh?
he like,
What kind of marriage do I want? Gay marriage.
Nishan, you should have said
Bro,
that.
this is satire. We are here.
Hello. So we ditched Reba there.
Yeah,
Oh,
like they were
okay.
practicing, and then sir was on letting us talk,
Hmm.
and they can't stop us. They can't stop yappers from yapping, so we came out.
And we're gonna do the one thing I love the most in the world, and that is swinging.
I'm by the swings.
Yo,
Mine is. Mine is. No, they can't. They can't.
I think we as a society should bring back swinging. Okay, because like it's such
Swinging
a
on the rope,
Huh.
swinging on the
I think
pole, anywhere.
all adults should swing for at least 15 minutes a day. It really takes out so much frustration.
Like swinging after like a 60-minute walk, like people
Huh,
do.
yeah.
Complete your 10K and go for a swing. Guys.
Exactly, guys. It's like it's very liberating. I mean, if you don't have the time to swing every day, at least swing on weekends. It's so nice. It's so therapeutic.
And if you think if you think like the swing that is nearest to you cannot hold your weight, get it done. Get it constructed by the government.
I think the government should do something about it.
Owes you good swings.
Modi, we're looking at you right now. Do something about this, please.
What happened, Vishal?
UNC classmate posted the status and it says, "In my black guy." What black guy? Bitches from the northeast.
Bro,
So can you see that?
they can.
In my black guy era, she wrote, "Tuan, wait, can you see me, Tuan?" Girl, you're from the northeast. We're sorry to the black community from Tuan,
Bro.
Chinese Center.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so this is Tuan's status.
Look what she wrote. wrote. Look at what she wrote. Yeah, let's get ice cream. I want the Rocky Road. The Rocky Road looks really nice.
Are not from here. First two is there, butterscotch there. I see chocolate.
Hi.
大家好，大家好，朋友们最近怎么样？
身体好吗？
अरे ताजिए
Oh, Sunidhi Lava Bag.
व्लॉग में हमारी फेवरेट पर्सन आ चुकी हैं
ताजिए
आइए व्लॉग में हाय बोलिए
ताजिए
Welcome to Manushka's vlog. Welcome to Manushka's vlog. We are going through JNU's lake, and it's little bit dangerous because we can also fall into that. So let's. Who is coming? Who is?
पहली बार मैंने लेक नहीं दिखा पाई थी. इस बार बहुत ब्यूटीफुल देखना आप. लेक को पार करना मुश्किल था पहले तो. This is JNU Lake, है ना? Yep. So this is JNU Lake. They can't even see it right now. Wait. एक सेकंड ब्रिज तो दिखाना है. Okay. So this little thing that you see is like the bridge. Tung, 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 tung. And now we're going
This is
towards the lake.
अरे
Yeah.
हटो यार
The Joshua Lake.
I can't see it.
दूसरी बार करा मैंने हर्ष. Xiangxin वो.
Up through the grapevine, she like Minnesota, hotter than a fever.
Bro, there was this.
Yo,
If you're seeing this, go.
Ramadan hai, I shouldn't be doing this, but like, man, yes.
Guy was such an. We were playing basketball. These guys come up saying. This one is going to be like pure craziness, college craziness. Haan, chaotic JNU sleepover vlog is going to be the title of this video. Wow! Wow! Yeah, it's so cute!